Hello lovely people and welcome back to Accidental Adult, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your bed in 15 seconds. In my last video I talked about the benefits that you get out of making your bed every morning, and today I want to prove that there's no excuse to leave your bed messy, especially if it just takes you 15 seconds to do it. And I'm actually going to show you 3 basic ways to do this without throw pillows, because I know a lot of people don't have them. I just like them because they make me feel fancy. And just for fun, I'm gonna show you how long it actually takes me to make my bed. It took me a minute. It took me 1 minute to make my bed, and I took my time. I rest my case. You have no more excuses. Make your bed. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Your bed every morning. Yes. Rest my case. Why? You can do it in just 15 seconds. Why can't I say it? Why? It's a simple sentence. Say it. Messy.